Greetings, it's Victor in Hackensack. Tonight I'm making a fish and vegetable medley with a fish I've never cooked with before. It's silver corvina from Suriname in South America. These skinless and boneless fillets were $8.99 a pound at Costco Wholesale in Teterboro today. So I'll be cutting them up, adding some lemon juice and assembling the dish. Start out by adding organic baby spinach to a pan that's lined with parchment paper. If you use the parchment paper from Costco, it's got to be careful of a really sharp cutting edge there. Anyhow, I drizzle this with a little olive oil. So I have these Asian Indian spices and a lot of other spices I keep in a plastic container in the freezer. I'm just going to lightly coat the fillets with it. So I'm going to be adding some grape tomatoes and some capers. I ran out of pitted olives. I could have used mushrooms also, but it's just going to be the Asian Indian spices, the tomatoes and capers, of course the organic spinach. So this large container of spices I have in my refrigerator, you could use it for chicken, you could use it to coat a steak. So I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and this will go in there for 15 minutes. So here it is, fresh, wild silver corvina from Suriname in South America with some Asian Indian spices, organic spinach, tomatoes, and capers. Look at this beautiful fish is breaking apart, so that means it's cooked. Enjoy.